Welcome people to the second episode of Windows 7 tutorials. In this video I'll show you 6 ways to speed up your PC. The first way is to remove spyware and help protect your computer from viruses. Spyware collects personal information without letting you know and without asking for permission. To combat spyware, you might want to consider using the Microsoft Security Essentials. You can download it for free from Microsoft webpage. To help warrior system in the field from viruses, spyware, adware, and other malicious software, also known as malware. Microsoft Security Essentials acts as a spyware removal tool and includes automatic updates to help keep your system protected from emerging threats. So I'll show you how to download it. The program is called Microsoft Security Essentials. You can download it from Microsoft and Windows page. So here it is. I'm gonna let the link in the description. You can download it from there. The second way is free up this space. The disk cleanup tool helps you to free up space on your hard drive to improve the performance of the computer. The tool identifies files and you can safely delete, and then enables you to choose whatever you want to delete, some or all of the identified files. Use this cleanup to remove temporary internet files, delete download programs files, such as Microsoft ActiveX controls and Java applets, empty the recycle bin, remove Windows temporary files such as error reports, delete optional Windows components that you don't use anymore, and delete installed programs that you no longer use. So to use this cleanup, you go to the Start menu, and then in the search bar you go disk, and there it goes, disk cleanup. So here it is. It will calculating how much files do you have in your hard drive, and it will take a little bit of time to that process. So I'm gonna pause the video and show you how it pops out the next window. So already pop out, and here it is how it looks. It appears like a checklist and you want to check all of those. But here's a tip. Typically temporary internet files take the most amount of space because the browser catches each space you visit for faster access later. So you may want to let that one unchecked so your browser travels faster through the web and pages you already visit. That's just a tip. I like to let it uncheck. So it's just a tip, guys. It's not what you need to do. So you just press OK, and it's gonna ask you for confirmation. You just keep it, and we'll be cleaning up all your hard drive. Well, for the next way is to speed up access data. This fragmentation slows the overall performance of the system. When files are fragmented, the computers must search the hard disks as a file is open. The response time can be significantly longer. So this defragmenter, I already talked of this tool. It's really useful. I showed it on the first episode. But this defragmenter is a Windows utility that consolidates fragmented files and folders of your computer. So when to run this defragmenter? In addition to running this defragmenter at regular intervals, many guys say weekly is optimal. There are other times you should run it too, such as when you add large number of files you for disk space, and you install new programs or new version of Windows operating system. So I'm going to show you how to run this defragmenter. You just go to this Start menu, and in the search bar you type in disk, and it's right below of this cleanup, this defragmenter. It takes a little bit, so I'm gonna pause the video and show you how it looks. So here it is. You can choose which disk you want to defrag. So I only have the C one, that is my hard drive. You can choose to defragment or analyze. The analyze disk button is for if you want to check if it's actually fragmented or defragmented partially. So the progress takes place right here. You can close this in the background, still working, and you can keep your schedule that I recommend is weekly. So you can close it, there's no problem at all. And the fourth way is detect and report disk errors. In addition to running disk cleanup and disk defragmenter to optimize the performance of your computer, you can check the integrity of your files storage on the hard disks by running the error checking utility. As you use your hard drive, it can develop bad sectors. Bad sectors slow down your hard drive performance and sometimes make data writing, such as file saving, difficult or even impossible, and that's pretty bad. So to use the error checking utility, you just go to the start menu and search on the search bar error. That's the password, error. So here it is, find and fix problems. You just click there and it'll pop out something like this, and troubleshoot computer problems. If you feel there's some problems on your computer, even you can check on the display. All is under these categories. So check your problem and resolve it. So the fifth way is learn about ReadyBoost. ReadyBoost, if you're using Windows 7 or Windows Vista, you can use ReadyBoost to speed up your system. A new concept is adding memory to a system. It allows you to use not volatile flash memory, like USB or memory card, to improve performance without having to add additional memory. Learn more about ReadyBoost in Windows 7 and learn more about ReadyBoost in Windows Vista. That's one of my tips. ReadyBoost, really cool. The sixth way is upgrade to Windows 7. If you try all the previous remedies on your computer still isn't as fast as you would like to be, you may want to consider updating to Windows 7. Found out if your computer can run Windows 7 using the upgrade advisor that is on Windows webpage, and compare Windows 7 editions like Ultimate, like I'm using, or Pro, or Home Edition, or I don't pretty much know all the editions. So well, that was my 6 ways to speed up your PC